Hello, my friends. Guess what time it is? It is Not Just for Boys Kit Club November 2021 reveals. I just got it. Went to the market, came home. It was sitting on my porch, so I'm so excited. I'm going to get everything separated and I will come right back. So video 1 will have the main kit. Video 2 will have the deluxe theme kit. And then video 3 will have Page Kits by Merity and any other add-ons. So just give me a minute. Okay, guys, let's take a look at these papers to start. The first paper I have, it is Vicki Boutin Fernwood, the fancy new collection, and I've seen like glimpses of it, but I haven't seen it. So this is super fun. Let's see what we have. This is a 3x4 sheet, which of course you can, detail cut out the little bird. You can just cut out this little notebook piece, whatever. But I love it that it looks like there's a little washi tape on there. So there's a little bird. We've got some floral bits, ferns. Maybe that would be the fernwood. Nice little quote, dragonfly. Oh, look at this little terrarium with these mushrooms, and it reads found treasures. Cute little library card. So super cool. It's one of those things where I like this side so much that I'm like, the other side better not be cool because I want to use so many things on this side. So we have that. Let me shimmy this over. I'm up a little bit high, but I want you to see as much as possible. So we have that. Now the back side, let's see. Oh, that's cool. This is very Vicki Boutin-esque because, that's a word. We have like this almost cement color here with nice deep navy blue, but we also have this really bright pop, almost like a Honolulu blue. So good stuff there, really great background. Our next piece is this one right here by Jen Hadfield, Peaceful Heart. It's called Mindfulness. So it's a really nice kind of subdued tone-on-tone apricot or peach type paper. Lots of nice little floral bits. And the back side is awesome. It's a little bit deeper saturation in color. And it's got that apricot with almost like a mustard color. And it looks, I guess it depends on what you think it looks like. But to me, it looks like either a little rainbow with like foofs coming out or the sun coming up. I don't know. I think it's perspective. All right, next one we have, Vicki Boutin Fernwood again. And it's all of these wood grains going in different directions, and they're painted, and that is awfully cool. That is a cool piece of paper, and I'm gonna have to put my thinking cap on a little bit and come up with something. I'm already, okay, want to use it. Very excited about it. And then the back side, ooh, look at this. It is awesome. Great branding strips, by the way. I didn't bring that up. Look at that nice branding strip right there. Awesome. Okay. So really nice limey green. Of course, there's smudgy bits. You get to see some of this text kind of vibe through it. So I don't know if she would ever put out a piece of paper that is like just one-dimensional. I don't know. Okay, next sheet. Oh, Vicki Boutin Fernwood again. Guys, it's like it's on a canvas or almost like a white burlap. And it's like a scene is pressed into it in this really gorgeous navy. The bummer is you can't really detail cut it out that well. Doesn't mean people won't, because it's almost like a silhouette. It's very cool. And the back side, it's, what it reminds me of? Kind of like metal that's going to copper, except you can see all this texture. You see newspaper, you see like old postcards, old books. That's an awesome piece of paper. I'm already running out of room on my desk. This happens to me every time because I get so excited and there's so many themes. Okay, next we have this piece by Fernwood, and it's ferns. Ferns on ferns on ferns. Background, I see text. I see that texture again that looks like burlap or like a really open woven canvas. Oh, and by the way, little known fact, my grandma's name was Fern and so is my aunt. There you go. Look at that. I'm sure it's about that. Anywho, putting that down. Fun fact. Okay. Then the next sheet is Exquise. It is an aqua, my very favorite color in the whole world. and it is a ledger paper. I will be using that and loving it. Next piece, it is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Country Harvest, and it is gorgeous. So that same kind of thing. I like that they brought these two collections in together because we have like the watercolor bits and then the text coming through and the scuffy paint, but we have a gorgeous green pumpkin and autumn, depending on where you're from, or fall, same thing. And we have butterflies, and it's gorgeousness. The backside is, okay, super usable, blackish. I'm not going to call it black because it goes variegated into almost picking up some of this color over here, depending on how closely you look. And then you see in the white of the polka dots, which aren't like white, you see these grayed out kind of like, can you guys see any of that? You get to see some of the same images that are here through the white. I think it's cool. I like that it's nifty. Now we have a Bow Bunny double dot in Evergreen Vintage, very deep green bits. Of course, once again, texture looking nice. Oh, and the Bow Bunny pieces almost have this Cartabella-like texture. They feel awesome if you're tactile. I am, so I love it. Okay, and this is the flip side. So this is much tighter woven, still like green on green, right? But it is like really densely woven wallpaper. Yes. Gorgeous. Then our last piece of paper, it is from Pink Fresh, The Best Day Welcome Home. And this is kind of nice. It's almost like, gosh, what would I call it? It is not quite a cream. It's between cream and peach, really light in the background with cornflower blue flowers and mustardy little leaves. And they are pretty. And I think, do we need to shimmy in just a little bit? And then the flip side, oh, how awesome. So nice navy blue, and then we've got a much less saturated blue leaf in between and an off-white. Oh my Lanta. I cannot wait to figure out, like to spend time with it like spread out to see what I want to do with it. Now this is when I break my rules about how I show you things in videos, because the second sheet of paper I already showed you, I get the main kit and the pattern paper add-on kit. So you'll get one of each of these, and I end up with two because I need the pattern paper add-on kit. Then this is the cardstock add-on kit. And I'd like to do it this time instead of with all the rest of the add-ons so you can see the colors together. Now this is from Basil. It is Blue Calypso. This is Basil Vanilla. We have got a piece of basil, and I don't know if I have the color here. No, I don't. It is a deep pumpkin orange. This is the color of my living room, and that is called like terracotta orange. So I don't know, but it's a very deep, rich color. And then this one is called Jade. So they're gorgeous, great. Now, the next thing I like to always show is the alpha, because we all love ourselves an alpha, right? So we get the Best Day alphas. They're puffy alphas by Pink Fresh. Oh, and by the way, Pink Fresh has really great packaging behind their goodies, and this time it is a light blue on white grid. Use the packaging. It is awesome. So uppercase, lowercase. Love that I don't have numbers because I barely use them on things. That is awesome. Oh, I do have to tell you guys something. I don't have something that you will have. Let me pull up the picture of it though, because I made sure to get a pic of it to show you. These are this Simple Stories, I believe, Hearth and Home foam. They're stickers, and they have foam underneath and cardstock sticker overlay, and this is the front and the back. I will get them in a little bit, but you guys will get them with your kits like normal. They, supply chain, yada. So they wanted to get these kits to the designers ever so nicely. So I am missing this. You won't. Can't wait to get my hot little hands on that. Such great titles. I mean, I love this brown rust color that reads family. Grateful and blessed is exquisite. And then look at this word that reads home in the floral pattern. We are so lucky that we are getting that. I am rather pleased. But I wanted to tell you that because, you know, that stuff's important. All right, let me go back to my goodies and my shipment. Now, we get for our cut file this really cool, like leafy frondy bit, which is awesome considering we have so much fernwood in here. I mean, even like the Pink Fresh has leafy bits, and then the Best Day, well, these are both Pink Fresh. We have leafy bits in both. This wallpaper print by Bo Bunny has a leaf feel, and so does Simple Stories. So clever. I see what you did there. Now, we have a cut, and it reads home, and it's a house, and the word home is there. Now, they still have this masking on there in the event that you want to take off part of it and paint in certain areas and then peel off the rest. And of course, the mess-free or the waste-free packaging is awesome. Then, ooh, we've got this patch. Guys, I have to get this patch out to show it to you. Oh my goodness, guys, this is cool. This is cool. Okay, same packaging, very cool stuff, but I need my mushrooms. Okay, so it's a patch and it's so cool and fabric-y. So there's some navy in there, you know, like literally mushroom color. We've got this rusty color, and then the white is like a bright white, and we have this golden color. Guys, you need 5 of them. I need 5 of them. Mushrooms everywhere. Okay, I will stop. Now, we have got these really cool half pearls, these finishing touches, and we get them in the kit this time. And of course, the colors are spot on, perfection. I see copper and brown, and this gorgeous green and pale blue. They are exquisite, just gorgeous. Love those. And they pack them in, and sometimes I wonder, I mean, I know I'm kind of clumsy. Sometimes I wonder how they get that many of them in there. Okay, we have that. Then we have the full Simple Stories 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And this is the bomb, guys. Look at these photo corners. And then there's tickets. And we have these pieces down here. Look at, they're already notched out. They're so awesome. And then these look like paint swatches. And we've got the cute truck with the pumpkins. Oh, and then this looks like a layer design with stitching, which is, oh guys, that is so cool. These are tags. It's so cool. So we have that. And then finally, I was so wanting this. I'm petting it. And I'll show you all the pieces. If you guys do not like to see every single piece in these, then just zip ahead, people, zip ahead. I will show you what it looks like this, but I'm going to take them all out to show you. And I'm going to get an iris container to put them in, you know, one of these. So let me get out this piece of basil, which is my lightest piece of paper that I have going here. So there's 63 pieces. They're called Cardstock Die Cut. Let's see, Bits and Pieces, Simple Vintage, Country Harvest, yada, yada, yada. There are so many pieces, guys. There are so many pieces. Okay. Wow. I'm going to plunk some of them in here if they fall. So we have Happy Fall, Y'all. That great old-time truck with the pumpkins in it. This gorgeous piece, it looks like buttons and butterflies, and they're all layered up. Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. This great crate full of pumpkins. We have got, I don't know if that's a butterfly or a moth. I don't. I keep calling them butterflies, but they could be moths. I have no idea. This nice wood heart with leafy bits. All these great banners, All Good Things, Feeling Fall Vibes, Sweet Autumn. I mean, the colors are just gorgeous. I like that they're saturated. Ooh, look at this, guys. This brown pumpkin, and it looks like it's metal with little screws in it. More of those layered bits with the leaves and the mothy butterfly thingies. Harvest the Good. Ooh, we have tags. Gorgeous tags are in here. I love me a tag. Guys, there's so many pieces. Embrace Change, Nature's Splendor, Hello Pumpkin, and we've got this nice little postage stamp. Let's see, and you know, chances are I'll miss something. I'm sorry if I do. Okay, Happy, or Harvest Happy. It's a great little wall hanging. What do we have? Oh, there's all of these cute little hearts in all of the patterns. Let's see, it's Pumpkin Spice Time, a little ticket that looks torn that reads pumpkin. Oh guys, look at how gorgeous that piece is. I love these pre-layered pieces. They're going to make our creating so easy. Cool and crisp. Falling leaves on a little metal piece. Yikes, they're falling everywhere, guys. And then let's see, another torn ticket looking piece. These are all kinds of hearts in the collection down here. So we've got pumpkins. All these little bits are falling. Pumpkin Time, Happy Harvest. So yes, there's bits and bits and bits. Another little stamp piece. A Fall Chill. Hello October. Oh, I know what picture I'm going to do with that. Leaves. Coming soon to a layout near you. Hello Autumn. Buggy. More of those little hearts. Cute little journaling spot looking thing. Autumn colors. All right, I am so sorry, but I got a call right when I was showing you the last few pieces of this gorgeous collection. So that is what I have for this kit. Video number 2 will have, oh, and by the way, did I tell you guys that this kit is called Splendor? Like Splendor. It is so gorgeous. I also have, oh, did I show you Falling for You? This little mothy butterfly, as well as Colors of Fall. So I am going to put all of these pieces in while we are talking. The next kit I am going to show you, it is called, hold on, I'm pulling it up, Bring on the Magic. And I think you're going to like it. So let's go ahead and package all these things up together, or I'll show you how I do. We all do things differently. Not that it's good, not that it's bad, just how we do all of the things. I do it like this because I like to rifle through my die cuts, you know, when I'm creating, to really, really see what I have. All right, so I have that. Awesome. I'll put that with that. Oh, I can put this piece in here as well. Lovely. And then I have my handy dandy IKEA container. That is the bee's knees. And that is it. So I will have links down below, guys, for the Not Just for Boys Kit Club website, for the blog, as well as for the Facebook group. So any questions you guys have whatsoever, pop them on down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be back in just 1 minute, or like in the next video, with our theme kit. Hold on.